Trisha Juliana de Dios proudly represents Barangay Langka.
Hello Trisha, how are you?
Good evening.
Anong feeling?
Masaya po. Like again.
First time mo bang sumali? First time?
I'm usually joining beauty pageants.
Sabi ko na, lakad pa lang eh. Iba yung lakad niya eh, kumpiyansa eh. Iba eh.
Ngayon papansin, kumikinang talaga sa ngayong gabi sa earrings pa lang.
Kita mo naman yung earrings.
Pinaghandaan ng Barangay Langka. Ngayon, you have 1 minute for showcasing your talent. Pero ngayon, bibigyan mo muna kami ng advokasya mo ngayong gabi.
Good evening. My advocacy titled "No One Should Be Left Behind" focuses on championing children's right to education. I've seen a lot of children stop their education to prioritize supporting their family. These dreams aren't killed by poverty alone, but by the lack of support from around them. If we can provide accessible and quality education for all, then everyone will be given a fair chance in life, ensuring that no one is left behind. Together, let's open our door towards a brighter future through the power of education. Thank you.
Wow! Grabe!
Naman talaga.
Ikaw ba'y kakanta or sasayaw? Sasayaw.
Okay, now let's give it up from Barangay Langka! Alright, maraming salamat Barangay Langka. Talagang binigay niya sa pagsaya ng